Beloved soul, I see your heart, restless and searching, wondering why you are here and what purpose your life holds. I see the questions you whisper in the quiet moments. Why am I here? What difference can I make? Today I want to speak to you directly. You were not created by accident. You are here for a reason far greater than you can imagine. Stay with me and I will reveal the path I've laid out for you, step by step. I am the author of your story and your purpose is part of my perfect plan. You are chosen, not forgotten. Many times you felt invisible, as though your life doesn't matter. But let me remind you of this truth. You are chosen. Ephesians 1:4 says, "For he chose us in him before the creation of the world to be holy and blameless in his sight." Before the world was formed, I knew you. I saw your potential and the unique gifts I placed within you. You are not a mistake. Every moment of your life is woven into a tapestry of purpose. You may not see the full picture now, but trust me, I am working in ways you cannot yet understand. Your purpose is rooted in me. The world will tell you to chase success, fame, or material wealth to find your purpose. But I tell you this, your true purpose is found in me. John 15:5 says, "I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me and I in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing." When you stay connected to me, your life will bear fruit that lasts. Purpose is not about what you achieve, it's about who you are becoming in me. Surrender your plans, your desires, and your fears to me, and I will guide you into the life I created you to live. I am guiding your steps. You may feel lost right now, unsure of where to go or what to do next. But let me assure you, I am guiding your steps. Proverbs 3:5-6 reminds you, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight." Even when the path feels uncertain, trust that I am leading you. I don't ask you to have all the answers. I ask you to trust me, one step at a time. Walk by faith, not by sight, and I will show you the way. Your gifts are part of the plan. You may think you have nothing special to offer, but that's not true. I have placed unique gifts within you. Romans 12:6 says, "We have different gifts according to the grace given to each of us." Your talents, passions, and even your struggles are part of the purpose I have for you. Look within and ask me to reveal the gifts I've given you. When you use them to serve others and glorify me, you will find fulfillment like never before. You are part of my bigger story. Your life is not isolated. It is part of something far greater. You are part of my plan to bring hope, love, and redemption to the world. Jeremiah 29:11 reminds you, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Your purpose is not just about you, it's about being a light in the darkness, a vessel of my love, and a voice of hope for others. When you align your life with my will, you become part of my divine story. The struggles are part of the process. I know you've faced challenges, and you may feel like those struggles disqualify you from living a life of purpose. But hear me, your pain is not wasted. Romans 8:28 promises, "And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose." Your struggles are shaping you, refining you, and preparing you for the purpose I've set before you. Trust that even in the hard times, I am working all things together for your good. Let me be your guide. Beloved soul, you don't have to figure this out alone. Psalm 119:105 says, "Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light for my path." I am your guide and my word is your map. Spend time with me in prayer and in my word, and I will illuminate the path before you. Seek me first, and I will lead you to the purpose you were created for. Your purpose brings glory to me. Ultimately, your purpose is to glorify me. Isaiah 43:7 says, "Everyone who is called by my name, whom I created for my glory, whom I formed and made." When you live in alignment with my will, your life becomes a reflection of my love and grace. You will find joy, peace, and fulfillment as you walk in the purpose I designed for you. I have placed dreams in your heart. The desires and dreams you carry deep within you were not random. I placed them there. Psalm 37:4 says, "Take delight in the Lord, and he will give you the desires of your heart." Those dreams align with the purpose I've set for you. As you draw closer to me, those desires will become clearer. Don't dismiss the passions I've placed within you. They are part of my plan to use you for something extraordinary. Pursue them with faith, knowing that I will provide everything you need to bring them to life. Patience is part of the process. I know waiting can be difficult. You want answers, direction, and clarity now. But remember, my timing is perfect. Ecclesiastes 3:1 reminds you, "There is a time for everything, and a season for every activity under the heavens." Just because you don't see progress doesn't mean I'm not working. Patience is part of the process. I am preparing you for the purpose I have planned, molding your character and strengthening your faith. Trust me in the waiting, for my plans are worth the patience. Your faithfulness in small things matters. You may think your daily actions are insignificant, but they are not. Luke 16:10 says, "Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much." The small steps you take today are building the foundation for the greater purpose I have for you. Be faithful in the little things, and I will trust you with more. Your consistency, kindness, and obedience in the everyday moments matter more than you realize. Don't let fear hold you back. Fear often whispers lies that keep you from stepping into your purpose. But let me remind you, for God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. 2 Timothy 1:7. Don't let fear convince you that you're not enough, that you'll fail, or that you're unworthy. I am with you, equipping you with everything you need. Step out in faith, trusting that I will catch you, guide you, and empower you to overcome every obstacle. Beloved, your life is not an accident. You are here because I have a plan for you, a plan that brings glory to me and fulfillment to you. Trust in my timing, follow my guidance, and know that I am with you every step of the way. If this message has touched your heart, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and return for more reminders of my love and promises. Remember, you are walking in my purpose, and I am leading you to something far greater than you can imagine.